Hey guys, what's up? It's another day here in the Caribbean. I'm just here chilling. Oh, then did I vlog today?
No.
I didn't vlog none at all. Yeah, I did actually. I did. Sorry. Yeah. This is my second video for the day. I did vlog. I vlogged this morning actually. Yeah. I'm just here, like chilling. So last, I'm eating jackfruit. Yeah. Let me see if this is zoomed out properly. So last night, yeah, these children was giving me pure joke. They were saying like to each other, oh, your favorite jackfruit, and one of them I said, your favorite dirt, and the other one I said, it was so funny. But anyway, it was so funny to me. I told them I'm gonna vlog them and let them do it again. So we're gonna start. I'm eating jackfruit. Anyway, come then, you guys. Come then. Come over here. Right here. Who's starting first?
Me. We are gonna play. You come like so. You say you come like something. It's a cussing game. So
who's starting first?
You come like bagjuice.
Come here. Stand up here. Stand up here. Stand up here now.
You come like bagjuice. Come like Jackfruit. You come like your old world. Come like the redwood tree. You come like mango.
James, come closer.
Come like it. Come like Blackie. You come like the ground.
Come here.
Come.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Blackie?
Blackie.
Come, Blackie. Mom.
Come. Stay right here, son.
Hey. Blackie.
What are we doing?
You don't want to? Let me go. Intro. Come. Hey.
Yes or no? Are you a good vlog?
You don't want jackfruit. Alright, come. Come then.
You come like a grown. Eh? You come like a grown. Come like this. You come like dirt. In hard you say, you come like poop. Poop! You come like nothing. In hard you say.
Where's the other one?
Vlog us now.
Oh,
what
sorry.
will we do?
Alright. Kiwan's eating bagjuice, by the way. Come in. You don't want it?
What wrong with you, man? Yes,
you're not eating. Hey. Stop it.
Good. Bun da, a bun. Bun. Come, what's your hand, you know?
Come. Sorry.
You come like dirt. You come like Jackfruit. You come like that building there.
Come on, man. Yesterday was more fun. Yesterday was more better. Come on.
You come like a bedroom. You come like a big word. You come like a 2 phone there. It's on the camera.
No, yesterday was more fun. Come on, get more spicy.
Yeah, come.
Yep.
You come like a crack up Eddie. Yeah, I didn't big like bowl.
Come. Come in the camera now.
Yeah, I didn't big like bulb. Yeah, I didn't big like you wheel. Yeah, I didn't big like earth. Yeah, I didn't big like this one. Yeah.
No, you're coming like.
Your head big. You're coming like boulder.
What's that?
Boulder, the big boulder.
I don't know what that is. Come on, man. Spice it up.
Come like marker stick.
You come like marker stick.
You come like old people them. Come like man, them walk up on the road. You come like river. Come like you see. You come like a beach. Yeah, and then roll like a ball. You come like Donald Trump. But then come like Korea. Yeah, coming like breadfruit.
Also over there, they're picking breadfruit off the tree. A breadfruit? A breadfruit, them I pick, yeah. Breadfruit, oh my god. Yesterday I had natural mango. I just picked it right off the tree and ate the mango. That is so nice. Oh yeah, and we've got mango, we've got guinea, we've got soursop, we've got a breadfruit tree, we got every kind of tree. We got, ow, that's cold.
Aki we have.
Yeah, we have aki tree too. Yeah.
But you come like Aki.
Yeah, now we're having breadfruit and I think cabbage for dinner.
You come like Oliver.
Oh, look at the little puppy, look. Cabbage. We are go. Hello. Hey, come off of my foot.
Don't be scared, man. I'm sick.
No, I'm not scared. He thinks I'm playing with him, you know. Come off of my foot.
Relax now.
Hey, he's stepping on my foot.
Hey!
Come on, carry on then.
You're not vlogger.
I am. Come over here though. You're not standing over here. Oh, my foot is scratching me. Mosquito keep biting me.
Me a mosquito.
Come now.
You're coming at Jackfruit maybe 2 times.
Come now, man.
Come now.
Spice it up, man.
You come like that. No, then pick some.
But Jahim, you need to stand here.
You come like a lighter.
The mosquito bite my foot right here.
Come like a wasp.
Put there.
Mom!
Mosquito bite my foot, yeah?
1. But you come like you was. Come like bees. Move cars, you was there. Come down. A fire that. Fire. Hibbe.
Why are you burning that?
What's that way?
I'm gonna vlog. You might pick breadfruit. You might pick breadfruit. Look, I'm way up in the tree picking breadfruit. Wow, brave. See the big breadfruit there, Jack?
No, like one good a day up the sun now, you know if you carry. One good a day up the sun, you know if you carry. Straight up.
Maybe before I drop on my head.
No man. Come on.
No, they're chasing me.
We're afraid now. Come, run them.
Woo! See, that's nature. That is nature. So I'm here and I'm surrounded by so much nature. I love it. I'm surrounded by so much nature. Like oops. Get down, puppy. Get down, Blackie, get down. Give me this.
Blackie.
I'm surrounded by so much nature and I love it. Last night I was laying down outside on this chair in the night and I was looking at the stars. It was so nice. I'm gonna sleep outside one of these nights. Oh my god, look at this big mosquito bite. Kiwan, come look at this big mosquito bite. Right there.
Yay! Must be daddy mosquito about that.
Look there. Oops. Look at that. That's a big mosquito bite. Oh. Come on, you guys. You're still gonna do the thing or what?
You're not vlogging.
Are you gonna continue? I am vlogging. Come.
You video yourself.
Come on. So we had a long day today. Today we woke up like after 4 a.m. and we got dressed and everything, and we went to Montego Bay. We had to sort some stuff out, and then we came back to, then we went to St. Anne's Bay, and then we had to come back to Ochi. Yeah, and now we're just here chilling and waiting for dinner. Yeah. So these anyway, these guys are playing football. Look. Okay guys, I'm gonna sign off now. If I'm not enjoying my food too much, then I might come back to let you see what I'm eating. But yeah, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Later. Mwah.